everyone, welcome back to the Mad Dad Camping channel. Just wanted to follow up on last night's heroic camp out that we had. So hopefully you've gotten to watch it or gonna watch it. So just wanted to back up a little bit and kind of get some basics. A lot of people probably have never made a fire outside camping or anything like that, so I thought I'd make a real easy plan. A lot of these stations you'll see a guy with a stick and rubbing it together, try to make a fire, or with your art items that spark. And I'm just going to make it real easy for those who aren't quite up to that level yet. So this is how you should do it. So basically you'll have go to Walmart or an Ace Hardware, get you a fire starter kit. Super easy. Always like adding in some these little wood balls that are highly flammable to kind of help keep the fire going. You're gonna have to have some small sticks, some larger sticks to help get the fire going, and then you'll have your little chunk wood. We have a little solo flameless or smokeless fire pit. It's really small, so it can't hold a lot of big wood. So this will kind of get you figured out on how to get it going. So first of all, put this down in here and just stick your wood balls around it a little bit, and then get your small sticks into your fire pit just like this. Make sure that they are broken up small so they're easy to burn really quickly. Been another hugely hot day here in December. Like, we're on record again for Oklahoma, but cold front is coming, so hopefully soon it will start to get there. So we'll get all our small sticks in here. So next, always have you a long lighter like this. That way you don't burn your fingers. You don't got to worry about having matches or anything like that. Nothing fancy until you're to that level. So we'll get in here and we will ignite. So here we are. You see we got our sticks in here. Just get our lighter down here and start getting that lit. As you can see, that will start that. And then what we'll do next is get our larger sticks and put in there. Too big. Put those in there. As you can see, kind of get it started. As you can see, we've got our fire started up and our small sticks are now burning. Getting going pretty good. So now we can add a few chunks in here, like so. And now that we've got the fire going, take your ring, go on here really quickly. Don't burn yourself. It's pretty hot. There you go. You got your fire burning. Just make sure that it's not super dry outside. Be careful where you're lighting your fires, and have fun.